This quick and flavorful Korean lamb bulgogi takes just 25 minutes to prepare and serves 2 to 3 people. Imagine tender, juicy lamb slices coated in a savory, slightly sweet marinade infused with garlic, ginger, and sesame, all cooked to perfection in the microwave, delivering authentic Korean flavors with minimal effort. Bursting with bold umami, a touch of sweetness, and a hint of sesame, this dish is sure to tantalize your taste buds and impress your family and friends. Get ready for a delicious, aromatic meal that's both convenient and irresistibly tasty. Let's now check the ingredients. 300 grams lamb slices, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ginger, minced, 1 green onion, chopped, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, fresh black pepper to taste. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by placing the lamb slices in a microwave-safe bowl. In a small bowl, mix soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, minced garlic, minced ginger, and black pepper to create the marinade. Pour the marinade over the lamb slices, ensuring they are well coated. Marinate for at least 15 minutes. Cover the bowl with microwave-safe plastic wrap or a microwave cover. Microwave on high for 4 to 6 minutes, stirring halfway through until the lamb is cooked through and tender. Remove from microwave and let it rest for a minute. Transfer the cooked lamb to a serving plate and sprinkle with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Serve hot with steamed rice or vegetables for a complete meal. Enjoy this incredible Korean lamb dish with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.